Legacy built. Time reclaimed. Burnout canceled. 5 years ago, I was drowning in the bills versus legacy trap, working 80-hour weeks, missing school meetings, soccer games, and still barely making ends meet. Sound familiar? Then I found the proven blueprint. Today, I'll show you exactly how I gained back 10+ hours a week without hiring help or ignoring my kids and built a business that funds my life and my future. No burnout, no guilt. Just the systems that let me say yes to paying bills and being there for first steps. Let's reclaim your time. Let's get real. I used to think legacy was a luxury for CEOs and trust fund kids, not for someone like me, a teacher turned single mom. Drowning in daycare costs and rejection emails. I'd lie awake, wondering if my kids would grow up remembering me as the too busy mom who missed every school play. And honestly, I hated myself for it. But here's the thing. Legacy building isn't about money. It's about time. Time to breathe. Time to play. Time to actually live while you build. And I'm proof it's possible. I didn't find this overnight. It took hitting rock bottom and a lot of trial and error until I found the Legacy Builders program. But here's the good news. You don't need 5 years. You just need this proven blueprint. Forget hustle culture. I'll show you how to turn snack time, laundry folding, and even carpool lines into high-impact biz hours. Yes, even with toddlers screaming for goldfish. No more late fees or midnight spreadsheet panic. I'll share the exact tools I use to automate bills, client reminders, and even content creation. I'll teach you how to niche down, serve your true audience, and build a biz that funds your life, not your ego. Sarah, single mom. She paid off $28K debt and is planning to buy a new home. Life-changing. James, laid-off dad, used the blueprint after he was laid off. Now he's paid off his mortgage and car loans. This isn't theory. It's real life, and it's waiting for you. Look, I get it. Right now, legacy building probably feels like a pipe dream. But what if I told you your chaos is your secret weapon? Those 2 a.m. panic sessions? They taught you grit. The constant juggling? You're already a CEO. All you need is the roadmap. And guess what? It's ready for you. So hit pause on the burnout. Just say, ready. And I'll send you the free blueprint, and let's design a future where your work pays the bills and fills your family's scrapbook. No more either or, let's go build.
Thank you.